In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a shop in Etsy 2023. Whether you've encountered a shop that's breaching Etsy's policies or you've noticed something suspicious that you believe Etsy should be aware of, knowing how to report a shop effectively is essential. Not only does this help maintain the integrity and trustworthiness of the Etsy community, but it also ensures a safer environment for all buyers and sellers. Let's walk you through this process step by step. To get started, first, you'll need to navigate to the shop's page that you wish to report. This means opening your chosen web browser and heading over to Etsy's website. Once on Etsy's main page, type the shop's name into the search bar located at the top of the screen and hit Enter. This action will display various options, and you'll need to select the relevant shop from the list of search results. After you're on the shop's main page, take a moment to scroll down a little bit. This is where you'll find crucial information about the shop, including their policies, about sections, and reviews from previous buyers. It's important to familiarize yourself with these details as they might support your report later. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for a button that says Report this shop to Etsy. This can often be found within the side menu or towards the bottom of the page near the seller information section. It's typically highlighted or underlined, making it distinguishable. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This action triggers a reporting form provided by Etsy. At this stage, Etsy will prompt you to choose a reason for your report. Multiple options will be displayed, such as counterfeit items, inappropriate content, or a shop that doesn't follow Etsy's selling policies. Take your time to carefully select the reason that best fits your concern. Choosing the most accurate reason ensures that the Etsy team can address the issue more efficiently. Next, you'll need to fill in further details regarding your issue. This is your opportunity to provide any additional information that you believe can support your claim. Be as detailed as possible, explaining the context and why you are concerned. If available, include any supporting evidence, such as screenshots, order numbers, or links. Once you have filled out all the necessary information and feel confident that everything is correct, it's time for the final step. Locate the Report This Shop button at the bottom of the form and click on it. This submits your report to Etsy's moderation team, who will then review the information you've provided. They'll assess the situation and take appropriate action if needed. And that's how you report a shop on Etsy in 2023. Remember, your actions help keep Etsy a trustworthy place for all its members. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.